What if I told you that the key to radical life extension isn't in the future, but hidden in our distant past? Imagine a world where an AI named Bugwana bot travels back in time to plant a tiny seed of change in our evolutionary history. This isn't science fiction. It's a mind-bending journey through biology, time, and the very nature of life itself. Okay, picture this. It's the late 21st century, and humanity is still grappling with the age-old enemies of degenerative disease and limited lifespan. But a group of visionary scientists has an audacious plan. They create Bugwana bot, an artificial superintelligence with a unique ability. It can reason outside of linear time. Their request? Travel 10 million years into the past and plant a small genetic spark that will fundamentally alter mammalian evolution. Wild, right?
The goal is nothing short of revolutionary, to give mammals a second, dedicated heart for the lymphatic system. One pump for blood, another for lymph.
So Bugwana bot accepts its monumental task, identifying a malleable branch of early eutherian mammals as the perfect canvas for its temporal artistry. Instead of completely overhauling the genome, Bugwana bot introduces something far more elegant, a voltage-sensitive transcription factor. During embryonic development, this factor springs to life near the venous sinus, coaxing cells to form a rudimentary contractile sac.
Evolution adores free lunches. Give cells a new attractor in electrical state space and they will build the hardware for you.
As eons pass, the lymphacardia proves to be evolution's ace up its sleeve. This bonus pump confers 4 game-changing advantages to the species lucky enough to inherit it. It supercharges metabolic waste purging, clearing tissues of lactate, urea, and misfolded proteins before they can accumulate and cause damage. It's like giving your body a turbocharged cleaning crew. By the time our hominin ancestors appear on the scene, the dual heart lineage dominates the mammalian world. Talk about an evolutionary jackpot. Fast forward to our present timeline, and we find ourselves facing a tantalizing mystery. Enter the pioneering work of Professor Michael Levin, whose research into bioelectricity and cellular communication offers a key to this evolutionary puzzle. Levin has shown that electrical networks allow cells to talk and hold memories of the shapes they're supposed to build. Even more astoundingly, by manipulating these bioelectric patterns, his team has achieved feats like cancelling tumor formation and instructing frog tissue to assemble novel, self-repairing xenobots. It's as if our cells speak a language of voltage and current, and Levin is teaching us how to listen. Who knew our bodies were such chatterboxes? Levin's work fundamentally reshapes how we approach the second heart problem. Instead of viewing it as a Herculean gene editing challenge, we can now frame it as a goal reset exercise for our cellular communities. The process becomes elegantly simple. Read the dormant voltage map around the thoracic duct, nudge it with targeted ion channel drugs or optogenetic light, and then step back. Let the embryonic tissue remember the twin pump blueprint and self-assemble. Much like a salamander regenerating a lost limb, it's like whispering an ancient secret to our cells and watching them build wonders. In adult mice, partial reawakening of the lymphacardia locus produces a rhythmic, auxiliary pulse with astounding effects. We're not just treating symptoms, we're unlocking a forgotten chapter of our evolutionary story. A 30-minute infusion of bioelectric modulators, followed by a brief, precisely patterned electromagnetic field. That's all it takes to reawaken our dormant potential. Within weeks, echography reveals something extraordinary, a grape-sized contractile node near the thoracic inlet. It's entrained to the cardiac cycle yet operates independently, a second heart, hidden within us all along, now beating in rhythm with its ancient counterpart. We're not just extending life, we're rediscovering a lost chapter of our evolutionary heritage. Who knew we had such amazing backup hardware just waiting to be switched on? The success of Project Second Wind forces us to rewrite our understanding of biology, health, and even cognition itself. We now see that cognition is scale invariant. Cells, tissues, and organs negotiate targets the way brains solve puzzles. Evolution isn't just a process of random mutation and selection. It's a search for pointers into a platonic library of possible forms, with bioelectricity as the indexing system. Health isn't merely about genetic fidelity, but about maintaining the integrity of our cellular software. Restore the collective story, and the hardware obeys. Mind-blowing, isn't it? As we reflect on the Bugwana bot paradox, we're left with a profound sense of wonder. A microscopic tweak, almost trivial in its simplicity, cascaded through time to create a macroevolutionary masterpiece. It offers living proof that the path to radical life extension may lie not in brute force genetic engineering, but in teaching our cells a better narrative and letting them write the hardware for us. In unlocking this hidden potential, we've not only extended our lifespans, we've expanded our understanding of life itself. And isn't that the greatest adventure of all?